Imagine this. A warm, gooey cookie melts in your mouth. Crunchy candies snap between your teeth. Velvety cake, piled high with ice cream. Can you feel it? That craving? That pull? Why does sugar have this kind of power over us? Sugar isn't just one thing. It's a whole family of molecules called carbohydrates. Glucose, fructose, sucrose, even honey or high fructose corn syrup. And sugar isn't hiding only in desserts. It's in tomato sauce, yogurt, dried fruit, flavored drinks, granola bars everywhere. So what really happens in your brain when sugar hits your tongue? Take a bite of cereal. Sweet taste receptors on your tongue fire instantly. Signals shoot up to the brainstem, then branch out across your forebrain. One path hits the cerebral cortex, which decodes sweet, bitter, salty, and umami. Then the reward system awakens. A network of chemical and electrical signals asks a simple question: should I do this again? That warm, fuzzy feeling from grandma's chocolate cake? Dopamine, the brain's reward chemical, is at work. And it's not just food that triggers it. Social interaction, intimacy, even drugs light up the same circuits. Here's the problem: too much activation, and the system goes off the rails. Cravings, loss of control, tolerance. The more you eat, the more you want. Back to your cereal. It travels to your stomach, then your gut. Surprised there are sugar receptors here too. Not taste buds, but sensors that tell your brain you're full, or that your body needs to release insulin to manage the sugar rush. Dopamine is the currency of pleasure. Some brain regions' hotspots are packed with dopamine receptors. Drugs like alcohol or heroin flood these spots, creating addiction. Sugar releases dopamine too. Less intense than drugs, yes, but rare among foods. Broccoli? Zero effect. No wonder kids avoid it. Eat the same healthy meal every day, and dopamine spikes less. Our brains crave variety for safety and survival. New foods signal nutrients, warn of spoiled food, and keep our reward system engaged. But sugar is sneaky. A little, dopamine spikes normally. Too much, spikes never stop. Every bite keeps lighting up your brain. Here's something surprising. Sugar doesn't just give a moment of pleasure, it can subtly shape how your brain makes decisions and handles impulses. One bite might tilt your choices toward short-term rewards without you even realizing it. The solution? Take control of your cravings with smart, natural alternatives. Reach for stevia, fresh fruit, or dark chocolate instead of processed sugar. By making these small swaps, you can enjoy the sweetness you love, protect your brain, and stay energized, all while turning mindful eating into a daily habit you actually enjoy. In this way, sugar behaves a lot like a mild drug. Every type of sugar triggers a domino effect in the brain: reward, pleasure, craving. Over time, overconsumption can push your reward system into overdrive. So yes, sugar can be addictive. But don't panic. A slice of cake now and then? Harmless. Next time you reach for something sweet, remember, it's not just taste. It's a chemical symphony in your brain, pulling your attention, firing your pleasure circuits, and making that bite unforgettable.